I hope you all are safe at home. Stay home, stay safe. Yesterday we learned about the female reproductive system. Today it is about gametogenesis. Gametogenesis, two types. One is spermatogenesis and other is oogenesis. On the first day of this lesson, we have studied the meaning of gametogenesis. So what is gametogenesis? It is the process of formation of gametes, either sperm or ovum. So formation of sperm is called spermatogenesis and formation of ovum or egg is called oogenesis. In this topic, we will study about the complete steps of the formation of gametes. Let us recall again about the gametogenesis. It is the process by which gametes are produced in the sex organs called gonads, that is testes or ovary. Gametogenesis is of two types, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So, what is a spermatogenesis? It is the formation of sperms. And what is oogenesis? It is the formation of ovum. In the given figure, it is shown how the formation of sperms and ovum takes place. In detail, we will see later on. First of all, we will learn about spermatogenesis. We have already learned about the male reproductive system. Recall again that seminiferous tubules of testes is the place where the process of spermatogenesis occur. Seminiferous tubules have cells called spermatogonia, also called as a sperm mother cell. This spermatogonia or sperm mother cell undergo division to form spermatozoa or sperms, which is having diploid number of chromosomes. Spermatogonia or sperm mother cell is diploid and contain 46 chromosomes. Some of the sperm mother cell or spermatogonia are called primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes undergoes first meiotic division, resulting in the formation of two haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes. So, it is clear to all of you that primary spermatocyte is diploid, whereas secondary spermatocyte is haploid. This secondary spermatocyte again undergo second meiotic division that leads to four daughter cells called spermatids. These spermatids undergo differentiation to form a spermatozoa or a sperm by the process of spermiogenesis. So, what is a spermiogenesis? It is the formation of a spermatozoa or sperm from spermatids. After a spermiogenesis, head of a sperm get embedded in the Sertoli cell from where the sperm get nutrition or nourishment. This is the figure which clearly shows how a spermatogonia give rise to a spermatozoa. Here you all see that spermatogonia get differentiated into primary spermatocytes which undergo first meiotic division to form secondary spermatocytes. Again, secondary spermatocyte undergo second meiotic division to form spermatids. Spermatids get differentiated into a spermatozoa, that is called as sperm. Now, let us see about the structure of sperm. Sperm is haploid male gamete and consists of four parts, that is head, neck, middle piece and tail. Head of the sperm is conical in shape and it is called acrosome, which is filled with enzyme that helps in fertilization of ovum. One haploid nucleus is also present in the head of the sperm, which is surrounded or enclosed inside a thin membrane. Neck region of a sperm contains two centrioles, the proximal and the distal centrioles, lying one behind at a right angle to each other. Middle piece of sperm consists of mitochondria. These mitochondria provide energy for the swift movement of sperm. Tail of the sperm helps in motility, that is movement. It consists of a central axial filament, a thin layer of cytoplasm, and an outer smooth plasma membrane. This is a diagram of a sperm showing different parts. Now next topic is oogenesis. Oogenesis occur in the follicle cell of the ovary. Oogenesis is the formation of haploid ovum or egg from egg mother cell, also called as oogonia. Oogonia divide meiotically to form primary oocytes. Each primary oocyte is surrounded by a layer of granulose cell called primary follicle. During puberty, 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in the ovary. Primary follicles further differentiated into secondary follicle and secondary follicles into tertiary follicles. Tertiary follicle is recognized by presence of cavity filled with fluid, and that is called as antrum. So in tertiary follicle, antrum is present. Then from tertiary follicle, secondary oocyte is formed. The tertiary follicle changes into Graafian follicle and secondary oocytes form a new membrane called zona pellucida. Zona pellucida is the outer layer of the ovum. The Graafian follicle ruptures to release ovum. This figure is of oogenesis. In oogonia, mitotic division takes place to form primary oocyte. Primary oocyte undergo first meiotic division, which results into two haploid cells. Out of these two, one degenerate and it is called first polar body. Remaining one is called secondary oocyte, which again divides by second meiotic division to form again two cells. One cell degenerate called as second polar body, and one will give rise to ovum, which is haploid. So in case of a spermatogenesis, four daughter cells, that is four sperms are formed, but as a result of oogenesis, only one ovum is formed. Thank you and happy, safe lockdown day.